Well, going up on is what you guys. So I saw this video on Curly Locks from Twins of Twins Instagram, and when I saw the video, I am see that even now I have no words. Like, really, Queen Ifrica, what is really going on? Guys, believe you me when I tell you that this let me lose my train of thought, because it was really shocking. Me even have to go drink water because I keep reading this over and over, and you can hear it in my voice like wow. But if you want to see the video in its entirety, you can go to my Instagram, Only1Empo. She has Beyonce playing, and I can't put it here on YouTube. I'm gonna read what Curly Locks had to say though. At Queen Ifrica, check your do. Are you okay? I just saw this video that is kind of troubling. I hope you're okay. I also hope it is some social experiment or prank. I know you're an adult entitled to your own choices, but in my eyes, I believe you are one of the few remaining with some semblance of moral and spiritual values. Don't lose hope, mama. Get back on track. I know the temptation to fit in is hard to withstand, but don't let go. There is a higher force that we must give account to. We must not act like the children when we know better. We must raise them. Again, I don't know.